Okay, so I'm about to add my lye water into my oils. I already prepared my lye water yesterday so that I wouldn't have to do that today or wait for the temperature to come down and everything. So I'm about to add it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and mix it in. I'm not going to talk a lot just because it's pretty much standard. When I get to something new, I'll let you guys know what's up right there. Okay, so here I finally got to like a light trace, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the fragrance oil in now. It is a dupe of the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction. Okay, so now I'm gonna start adding in my micas. Now I'm gonna add in the titanium dioxide. I only want it to be a little bit like creamy instead of this yellow. After this, I'm gonna do like a light pink. It's barely pink. And then after that one, I'm gonna go ahead and add a raspberry color, which would be the top layer of my soap. Okay, so I did end up pouring a lot of the base off camera just because where I'm soaping right now, it's not a big space. And then I'm gonna slap it down on the ground just to like level it out, and then pretty much you guys will get to see me doing the design. Yeah. Okay, so here there is a method to my madness. I wanted it to be kind of like swirled, and so I just went up and down and side to side, and then I went in and did like a figure 8 or an infinity sign, if that's what you want to call it. I did that twice just so it could be kind of textured. I wanted to look engraved into the soap and like kind of raised, so I did it like that, and then I cleaned up the edges and I let it sit, and then the next thing you're going to see me cut the soap and show you the finished product. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my markings in. I want 1 inch thick bars, so I'm gonna just mark it at every 1 inch and then cut them through. And then that other loaf on the left side is my bar of samples, and then I'm just gonna cut them at a 1/2 inch and all the way through to the end of the bar. Okay, so this is the end of the soap bar. If you guys like the video, like, comment, and subscribe.